In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix iDraw app not working. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your iDraw app, maybe you're trying to open it, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, or each and every time it takes too long before it can't open or crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix iDraw app issues. In the first method, just go ahead and look for your app, then long press on it and you should see these three options. Choose app info option. If you tap on it, in the first method we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. Now if you go to storage here, you can see we have the data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. This will clear all the data under cache, as you can see here. It has also cleared some of the data for the other parts. At this point, now this should be able to fix most of the problems that you had. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back to app info page, and this time around go ahead and tap on clear all data and OK. Then go ahead and log in to your app to start using it. However, if you are still experiencing any challenge, then head to the third method, and that is look for the app through Google Play Store or App Store. You can see my app is here under my Google Play Store. From here, look for any option called update and then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of iDraw app. At this point, go ahead and open to start using the app without any issue. But should you still experience crashes, maybe it crashes on opening, then you need to go ahead again and come back to Google Play Store or App Store and then uninstall your app and install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to iDraw app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.